Oh.
No. I was like, no.
Luke, big smile for everybody.
Oh.
Good boy.
Do I start like that?
Ready for the kids to ask you questions? Good boy.
Do you like kids?
Good boy, he does.
Hey, Grandma, Dustin has to speak up.
Oh, okay. Say it again, Dustin.
Do you like kids?
Good boy.
Are you nervous?
Good boy. Are you the smartest horse ever? Yup, he thinks so. He's not sure, but he's thinking so. Good boy.
Luke, do you like slide?
No, he don't.
Do you want to go on a diet?
No. No diets for Luke. Do you want to learn more tricks? I don't think so. Just a minute, he's got to take a second. Big smile. Come on, big smile. Big smile. There you go. Good boy. Good boy.
Luke,
Good boy. Come on. Go ahead, dear. Dustin.
Luke, do you like your hat?
He don't know. Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Do you like the new shoes?
No, he don't. Do you want to dance the hokey pokey? Yep, he does. So we're going to dance the hokey pokey. We're going to try. Step back. Okay, ready? Put your right hoof in.
Luke, play it.
Let's start over. He said he was nervous, right? Okay, put your right hoof in. Put your right hoof out. Out.
You're right about the problem.
Looking at that bucket, there might be trees in there.
Yeah. Put your right hoof in. 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 Good boy. Luke. 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 Okay, let's try again. Put your right hoof in. Put your right hoof out. Put your right hoof in. In. And then you take it out. You do the hokey pokey. And you turn yourself around. One more time. Put your right hoof in. Put your right hoof out. Put your right hoof in. And then you take it out, do the hokey pokey, and turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Come here, Luke.
Yay.
That's the end. Luke, at ease.